Hey guys, I'm going to review these three Wet n Wild little eyeshadow trios that I picked up today at the Dollar Tree. I thought they were broken, but they actually weren't. You see how it looks like it has like a crack? That was actually the design of this package here. Whoops. The design of this package. Okay, so let me open it up. See if I can open it up with one hand. Because it has like a little seal on the sides. And then you could just, open up the eyeshadow. Hold on a second. I'm trying to open it with one hand. It's very hard to do. Hold on a second, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm having a problem trying to open this. I gotta, peel off the seal. But earlier I did open them. I swear I did. And then, they're not broken. It's just the design of this packaging right here. See how it has like a silver, like a leaf effect on the packaging. So I thought it was cracked, but it actually wasn't. And they're really, really shimmery. So it has like a lot of glitter, if you could really see. This color trio is called Amethyst, and this is a limited edition. So it's like a really darkish gray purple, and then you get like silvers. And then this one here, let's see, this one here is jade. So it's like a more shimmery greens. So that's like a really light, very glittery lime green. Then you got like these really dark olive, like army type of camouflaged, like a really dark green with glitters. Because I did open them up. And then this one here I did open so I could show you guys. This one is called, let's see if I could zoom it in. Zoom in. Rose Quartz. So, okay, so I got 3 different colors. I thought I bought the same ones. Okay, this is Rose Quartz, so it's like a gold, a light gold, like a beige type of tone, and then you get, this glittery, shimmery. So I'm going to swatch this beautiful color here. Look at that. Very glittery. See if I can swatch that. See how beautiful that is? And they're very pigmented. Like they're nice for like every day if you like the shimmers. So these were the only 3 eyeshadow palettes that I did see. So that's not bad for $1. For Wet n Wild, you get these 3 little triangles. Really, really nice. So anyway, thanks for watching this review of these little Wet n Wild eyeshadow little trios. You could find these at the Dollar Tree. They might have more. I have no idea. I only spotted these. So anyway, thanks for watching this quick little review, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.